Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto airdrops and blockchain rewards. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about an exciting opportunity, the XYRO Airdrop. XYRO is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency platform combining gaming, staking, and community-driven initiatives, and now they're rewarding early adopters with free XYRO tokens. Stick around as I break down how to qualify, earn rewards, and claim your free tokens before the claiming window opens. And if you have questions or need guidance, you can always contact me directly on Telegram. I'm here to provide advice, updates, and support for this and other crypto projects. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's dive in. The XYRO Airdrop is a free token distribution event designed to reward users who actively participate in the XYRO ecosystem. By engaging in activities like beta testing, gaming, referrals, and staking, you can earn XYRO tokens before the official launch. But question is, how to be eligible for the XYRO Airdrop? You may qualify if you meet any of these criteria. Beta and testnet participation. Earned at least 5,000 XYRO points during the early beta phases. Testnet and mainnet engagement. Earned 5,000 plus XYRO points across both testnet and mainnet. Mainnet participation. Ranked in the top 50,000 on the leaderboard or completed transactions over $1. Referral program. Invited 20 plus friends to join the platform. Game mode. Engagement. Played 30 plus game modes during the mainnet phase. Now, how to claim your XYRO tokens. Step 1. Visit the official XYRO Airdrop portal. Step 2. Connect your wallet linked. Step 3. Check your reward balance based on your XYRO points and eligibility. Step 4. Ensure you have ETH for gas fees on Arbitrum 1. Step 5. Click Claim to receive your XYRO tokens instantly. And there's no time limit, so claim your tokens when you're ready. If you have any questions about the XYRO Airdrop or need help claiming your tokens, I'm here to assist. Message me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Let's make sure you maximize your rewards. That's it for today's video. The XYRO Airdrop is a huge opportunity to get involved with a fast-growing blockchain gaming ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and turn on notifications so you never miss an airdrop update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!